In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube logo on Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can design a clean, on-brand logo that looks great everywhere your channel appears. First, open Canva. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube logo. This instantly pulls up templates that are already sized correctly for a YouTube profile image, saving you time and ensuring your design won't appear stretched or blurry. Next, choose how you want to start. You can select a template that matches your niche, something that reflects the vibe of your channel, or begin with a blank canvas if you'd like full creative control. Templates are a great shortcut because they're professionally composed. A blank canvas is perfect if you already have a strong idea or want something truly unique. Now let's customize. For text and fonts, double-click any text on the canvas to edit it with your channel name or initials. Pick fonts that match your brand personality, but prioritize legibility at small sizes. Bold, clean typefaces usually read best inside a circular crop. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 font families for a cohesive look. And adjust size so the text is prominent without feeling cramped. For colors, update the background and any elements to match your branding. You can use the color picker or enter brand color codes for consistency. Aim for strong contrast light text on a dark background, or vice versa so your logo stands out. Even on mobile, keeping your palette to 2 or 3 colors helps maintain a professional finish. Under the Elements tab, add icons, shapes, or simple graphics that reinforce your channel topic. Search for symbols that are recognizable at a glance, and avoid overly detailed artwork that could get muddy when scaled down. Use simple shapes to frame or anchor your text. And let Canva's alignment guides help you center everything neatly. Give your design breathing room with clean spacing so it doesn't feel crowded. Design with the circular crop in mind. YouTube displays profile images as circles, so keep your most important elements, like your icon and main text, right in the center. Avoid placing anything critical near the corners, and quickly zoom out to check how your logo reads at smaller sizes. When you are happy with the design, click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download and choose PNG or JPG for best quality. PNG often looks crisp for graphics and text, while JPG can be smaller in file size. That's it. Thanks for watching.